Morning folks, back at the cabin. We're going to have a Blackstone breakfast this morning. I've only used this a couple times now since I've had it. Put away for the winter. But this morning we're going to have a bit of breakfast on it for me and Jeanette. Now it's got mild again and it's bloody windy, so we'll keep the video to a minimum, but we'll get some footage of cooking up a bit of breakfast here. So got some good stuff for breakfast, so stay tuned folks. Just get her heated up good folks before we get started. Let her heat up and we'll get cooking. So what we have on the menu today, guys, basically got some bacon and some moose sausages for breakfast. Fry up a couple eggs and we'll enjoy. So I'll just let this heat up a bit here now and we'll start cooking some meat. Alright, let's get some meat on the go here. Well, look at this, guys, won't take long to cook. What I'm going to do now, guys, is just take these bits of bacon. It's getting pretty much close to done, you know. Give it covered up. Stick it over there. Let's stay there for a bit. Give the sausages a bit more time. And then we'll put a couple eggs. So be back in a few minutes, guys. Oh yeah, now we're getting there. Turn the heat down on that side, guys, just to keep that warm. Put the sausages over there. I'm going to put it all together in there now and cover it up. Let's stay nice and toasty warm under this cover. A basting dish, I guess that's what they call it. I don't know. Came from Amazon anyway, guys, wherever it is. Now we're going to cook a few eggs. Actually, I'm going to cook one egg and some egg white because Jeanette's She'd rather have the egg whites than the eggs. So let's see. Juices don't blow away. Blowing the gale here this morning. Cover that up and let that cook for a bit. So this side is just chilling under the cover. It's all ready to cook. Take that off now in a second. Keep it warm. And the eggs are cooking, so up on max there on that side. Give it a few more minutes, guys, get those eggs done, and then we'll plate it up. Alright guys, I think it's time to plate it up, or get it off the grill anyway. Plate it up in a few minutes. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, the smell here this morning. Oh, buddy. Alright. Looks like the sausages are well done. The bacon is certainly done. Get that there like that. Now let's check on the eggs. That one's still a little bit runny, but let that run down. That one's definitely cooked. Let's turn that one over. Cook up a bit. Let's turn the heat off here now, guys, and let them sit under the cover for a bit. And we'll get this taken into the house and come back get the eggs in a second. Alright guys. We are done. And one thing I have to do is make sure, oh, turn this back on next. Now we got it plated up, guys. A couple of eggs, some moose sausages and bacon, all cooked on the Blackstone. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this now, get the kettle on, get a cup of tea and have some breakfast.